Hey there travelers, planning your next trip? These essential travel gadgets will make your journey smoother, more organized, and unforgettable. Stay tuned to find out the must-have tools for every traveler. Before we dive in, don't forget to check out the product links in the description below to grab these travel gadgets for your next trip. Alright, let's kick things off with our first must-have gadget, the ultimate travel guidebook. Imagine flipping through a detailed guide filled with hidden gems, top destinations, and expert tips. This guidebook is your key to planning the perfect vacation. Find the best places and insider tips that make your trip unforgettable. Next up, we have the collapsible water bottle. Save space and stay hydrated anywhere with this eco-friendly collapsible water bottle. Compact, convenient, and sustainable, it's a travel essential. Third on the list are packing cubes. Say goodbye to messy luggage. These cubes keep everything organized and maximize your packing space. Optimize your packing and keep things neat with these lifesavers. Coming in at number 4, the travel neck pillow. Long flights can be a pain, but not with this supportive and lightweight neck pillow. Say goodbye to neck pain and travel in comfort. Fifth, we have the portable power bank. Never run out of battery. This power bank ensures your devices are always ready to go, so you can charge on the go and stay connected. Number 6, the compact travel camera. Capture breathtaking moments with this lightweight, high-quality travel camera. Perfect for those spontaneous photo opportunities. 7th is the selfie stick and tripod combo. Perfect for steady photos and videos whether you're solo or with friends. Achieve steady shots and perfect selfies every time. Last but definitely not least, the noise-canceling headphones. Block out noise and enjoy music or movies on the go with these top-quality headphones. Perfect for a peaceful travel experience. So there you have it, folks. Links to all these amazing travel gadgets are in the description below. Don't forget to for more travel tips and recommendations. What's your favorite travel gadget? Let me know in the comments below. Share this video with your travel buddies and get ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you're ready for your next trip. Want to see more? Subscribe for our upcoming travel hacks and recommendations. Check the description for links to purchase these gadgets and make your travels easier. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and join us for more travel tips and essentials.